Hey, this is Mitya from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, click the notification bell and subscribe so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial where I will show you how to process your dance piano. The piano has long played a significant role in dance music. There have been numerous popular tracks released in the past 30 years that are remembered mostly to their dominant piano sound. Because it's sort of an instrument that produces a very wide and rich sound, it's critical to position it correctly in the mix. Keeping this in mind, in the next tutorial I will show you how to correctly layer and process your dance piano. As you can see from the project, I use 3 separate layers of dance piano sound, each with a distinctive timbre and sound character. The first 2 layers were panned slightly to the left and right, while the third, which sounds more punchy, was kept in the center. Let's hear all 3 of them. I then grouped all 3 layers together and applied EQ and compressor to them. Finally, I added 2 return tracks to which I applied the reverb and delay effects, adding movement and space to the overall piano sound. Let's hear how the piano sounds processed. And for the end, in the contents of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.